Yesterday, Drone DJ put out an article regarding the DJI Mavic 2 remote with built-in display. So without further ado, we're going to put that up on the screen and I'll read excerpts from it for you. The long-awaited DJI Pro remote controller is likely delayed and might not be at CES 2019. The mystery remote controller for the DJI Mavic 2 that showed up in various official DJI photos and videos was rumored to make its debut at CES 2019. However, the latest information we received indicates the remote controller will likely be delayed. There are several issues that caused the delay. A component failure in the touchscreen, a supplier not meeting the production targets for another component, a price point estimated around $700 US that would be too high to allow for widespread use and acceptance and would thus limit profitability. Many of our readers have indicated they were very much looking forward to the new Pro remote controller. It'll feature a crystal sky display that will provide a much better viewing experience compared to flying with a smartphone or tablet. The crystal sky display will have HDMI output, 1000 nit display, as well as temperature resistant design. The new DJI Mavic 2 remote controller with built-in display is also rumored to be locked down, so only DJI 4 can be used. Well, there you have it. This was from Drone DJ. That article was published yesterday, and I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and check that out. Question of the day. Will you still be purchasing the DJI Mavic 2 remote with built-in display? Let me know in the comments section below. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly. See you next time.